In this video, we will talk about Sizegrip Widget tool. Sizegrip Widget is a modern application tool that allows user to change the size of the window in the real time. Window size can be resized without Sizegrip as well, but this widget adds a small grip icon on the corner of the window, which gives a thought about changing the window size of the Python Tkinter application. So in this image you can see that at the bottom right corner there is a grip icon. So if you will just press and hold it and you will drag it, it will change the size of the application. So let's go ahead and learn how we can create this. So I have already written the code on my VS Code editor because it's just a small thing. Let me run the application. Now in this application you can see that we have created a label, entry widget and buttons. So this is a complete application, and over here at the bottom right corner you can see there is a grip icon. Although if we would have not applied this grip icon, then also we can change the size of the application, but adding it will give an additional kind of look. So let's go ahead and learn how we can do that. So first of all, I have imported everything from Tkinter, and then I have imported ttk module separately from Tkinter, and then I have created a object and provided the title, geometry and background color to the window. After that, I have started the main loop at the end of this application. Then we have created a frame to create an application, and we have placed all the widgets on them. But let me talk about the Sizegrip widget. So in order to create a Sizegrip widget, first of all we have to type ttk.Sizegrip with capital S, and then we have to provide a name. So it's just a simple name. You can provide any name to it. Then the cursor, whatever the cursor icon will appear whenever it will be hovered. So right now it is set to arrow. I can set it to plus as well. Now style. So in the previous video we have learned about the style thing. So here the default name for the style is Sizegrip with capital S and capital T, and we have created this thing over here. So here first of all we have created the object for style with the variable name style, all in small case, and we have placed it on the default window, that is WS. Then we have configured it, and here we have used the name, that is Sizegrip, and the background color that we have provided is bluish. So let me go ahead and change the background color to the one which is window is having. So I did that so that we can see that properly. Now we have provided the same name over here in the style that we have provided over here. Take focus is set it to true. You can set it to false as well. If you will set it to false, Sizegrip will not receive the focus. At the end we have just packed this, and while packing it we have make sure that we have put it at the bottom of the screen and towards the southeast direction. You can put it to other direction as well. Now let's run this application once again. Now here you can see that since we have provided the same background color to this one, that is why it is not clearly visible, but it is there. And the moment I am hovering over the mouse, it is changing to plus icon. So in this way you can create the Sizegrip widget in Python Tkinter.